What if the greatest discovery of an astrophysicist wasn't in the stars, but in faith? Bruno Guiderdoni spent years studying the cosmos, unlocking the secrets of the galaxies. But in his search for truth, he found something far greater: Islam. How did a leading French scientist, raised in a secular society, come to embrace a faith often seen as separate from science? Was it logic, spirituality, or something beyond human understanding? Did his study of the universe lead him to the Creator? Stay with us as we uncover the incredible journey of an astrophysicist who found faith in the very fabric of the cosmos. Bruno Guiderdoni, now known as al-Haqq Guiderdoni, is a world-renowned French astrophysicist specializing in the study of galaxy formation and evolution. Despite his deep involvement in science, he found spiritual fulfillment in Islam. But how did a leading Western scientist, raised in a secular and Christian-influenced environment, come to embrace Islam? His early life and scientific career. Born in 1958 in France, Guiderdoni was raised in a family that, while culturally Christian, was not particularly religious. He developed a passion for science from an early age and pursued astronomy, eventually earning a PhD in astrophysics from the University of Paris in 1986. As his career progressed, he worked extensively on the formation and evolution of galaxies, publishing over 100 scientific papers. However, despite his scientific success, he felt a spiritual void, one that science alone could not fill. His introduction to Islam. Guiderdoni's perspective on life changed when he traveled to Morocco for work. He was fascinated by the culture, humility, and faith of the people he met. He started studying Islamic teachings and noticed a profound connection between Islam and the natural world, something that deeply resonated with his scientific mind. He also explored Sufism, the spiritual dimension of Islam, which provided him with a sense of inner peace and purpose. The turning point. The more he studied, the more he was amazed by the depth and rationality of Islam. He found no contradiction between science and Islamic teachings. Instead, the Quran encouraged seeking knowledge and exploring the universe. He was particularly inspired by Islamic scholars of the past, like al-Biruni, Ibn al-Haytham, and al-Tisi, who were both scientists and devout Muslims. After a deep period of reflection and soul-searching, he officially embraced Islam in 1987, adopting the name Abd al-Haqq, servant of the truth. Life after converting to Islam. Guiderdoni continued his scientific work while becoming an active voice for Islam in France. He started promoting the harmony between science and faith, emphasizing that Islam encourages rational thinking and exploration. He became the director of the Lion Observatory, a leading institution for space research. He also led interfaith dialogues, promoting understanding between Muslims, Christians, and Jews. From 1993 to 1999, he hosted a television program about Islamic teachings on France's state TV. Today, Guiderdoni is recognized as one of the most influential Muslim scientists and was listed in the Muslim 500. Bruno Guiderdoni's journey proves that science and faith are not enemies. They are two paths leading to the same truth. As an astrophysicist, he spent years studying the universe, but his greatest discovery was not in the galaxies. It was in Islam. His story reminds us that true knowledge leads to humility and that the Quran encourages us to reflect on the signs of the universe. Islam is not just a religion. It is a way of life that embraces wisdom, reason, and discovery. Sparkles, we will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this is the truth. Quran 41:53. May his story inspire us all to seek knowledge, ask questions, and find deeper meaning in our existence. Bell subscribe to Dean in Minute for more inspiring stories of faith and transformation. Green circle like, share, and comment to help spread the truth.